Cooking with healthy fats, best oils for high heat cooking. Are you confused about which oil to use when cooking at high temperatures? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's dive into the world of healthy fats and discover the best oils for your high heat cooking adventures. The smoke point is the temperature at which an oil starts to break down and release smoke. This not only affects the flavor of your food but can also create harmful compounds. Choosing the right oil with a high smoke point is crucial for healthy and delicious cooking. Different oils have different smoke points. Using an oil beyond its smoke point can lead to acrid flavors and potentially unhealthy byproducts. Always consider the cooking method and temperature when selecting your oil. Avocado oil is a fantastic choice for high heat cooking due to its impressively high smoke point, often around 520 degrees Fahrenheit 271 degrees Celsius. This makes it perfect for searing, frying, and grilling. It has a mild, slightly buttery flavor that won't overpower your dishes. Avocado oil is also rich in monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. Refined coconut oil has a higher smoke point than unrefined, typically around 450 degrees Fahrenheit 232 degrees Celsius. This makes it suitable for stir-fries and baking. Keep in mind that refined coconut oil has a neutral flavor, unlike the distinct coconut taste of unrefined versions. It's a good source of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. Ghee, or clarified butter, has a smoke point of around 482 degrees Fahrenheit 250 degrees Celsius. It's made by removing milk solids and water from butter, leaving behind pure butterfat. Ghee imparts a rich, nutty flavor to your dishes. It's commonly used in Indian cuisine and is a good option for sautéing and roasting. While extra virgin olive oil is best for drizzling and low-heat cooking, refined olive oil or light olive oil has a higher smoke point, around 468 degrees Fahrenheit 242 degrees Celsius. These are better suited for medium-high heat cooking. Extra virgin olive oil's lower smoke point makes it unsuitable for high-heat applications. Using it at high temperatures can degrade its flavor and nutritional benefits. Always store your oils in a cool, dark place to prevent them from going rancid. Rancid oils can have an unpleasant taste and may be harmful. Avoid overheating oils, as this can damage the healthy fats and create unhealthy compounds. Use a thermometer to monitor the temperature of your oil. Don't reuse cooking oil multiple times, especially if it has been used for deep frying. Repeated heating can degrade the oil and make it unhealthy. Now that you know the best oils for high heat cooking, you can confidently create delicious and healthy meals. Experiment with different oils to find your favorites and elevate your cooking. Ready to put your newfound knowledge into practice? Try cooking your next stir-fry with avocado oil or searing a steak with ghee. Share your culinary creations with us on social media using #HealthyHighHeatCooking. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cooking tips and tricks.